Hi, welcome to my channel, Jeanne Creates Studio. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this ombre design on your tumbler. I can't wait, so let's just get right in there and get started. So this is a 20 ounce I've just completed. And I'm going to show you the process. I just start with a basic white cup that has been prepped. I take the cheap acrylic paints I got from Walmart, and I'm going to go in and just put them at an angle across the cup. I'm a little out of frame here, so my apologies for that. So I just start with the yellow, and I like to go about 2 widths of my brush wide. It's about 1.5 inches total. So once I get it down really smooth, I don't quite go to the very top and I don't quite go to the very bottom. And then I'm going to go right in with my pink. And I'm going to continue this all the way around until I get every color on there, and some may be duplicated, and that's okay. It's kind of fun because you can actually use any color you want to. These pastel colors are just gorgeous though, with the glitter we're going to put on these. So once I am completely all the way around my cup, I'm going to go in with a slightly wet brush so I can go in between the 2 colors and soften the edges up a little bit. So right here I'm finishing up with my lavender, and then I'm just going to wash my brush out and get started on kind of making the edges a little bit softer. So just kind of going in between and brushing them lightly. See how they kind of blend together a little bit better and make the hard line kind of go away a little bit. So here's my 30 ounce all dried, and it's all blended all the way around. I also am at the same time doing a 20 ounce curved. So here that one is all dried. We're going to take it right outside, and what we're going to do is the ombre effect with the spray paint. So I'm starting out with spray painting the very top all the way around. Just make sure that you don't get any runs, so hold your paint back a little bit. And then I'm going to go to the bottom and go all the way around on the bottom. And once I have good coverage, I'm going to angle my spray can to the center of the cup, so you can see kind of the overspray is going down onto that pastel paint. Ignore my dogs. They love being outside with me. And on the bottom, I'm going to do the same thing, so that kind of shoots into my pastel paint a little bit, and that gives it kind of that soft ombre effect that we're looking for. And then also do the bottom. I'm going to go in with my 20 ounce here. I did this at the same time as my 30, so I'm just going to go ahead and hit both of them, top and bottom, and then get that ombre effect going on both of those. I can't wait to try this with all different colors. And do that angle there, and it shoots it kind of down into the color, making it very soft on the edge. So now we're going to give it a little sparkle. I'm going to use the tack it method. I'm using a holographic, sort of an opal glitter, kind of a fine glitter. It's actually from Hobby Lobby. I happen to like this because it's extra fine and it really shines. So I'm just putting my tack it on, getting that ready. I will fast forward this a little bit because most of you know how to do the tack it method already. I do mix my tack it with 50-50 water, 50% tack it, 50% water. So I sped up the process and went ahead and used my heat gun to dry my tacket. I'm going right in here with that opal glitter, and it is a holographic, so I'm going to be able to smoosh it down once I get it all on here. It is so sparkly and beautiful. This is just going to make everything kind of blend together. So now I'm just going to smoosh it down with my fingers, and you'll see that it just creates a really, really pretty opal holographic effect over those colors. So I've got the fine holographic glitter done on here, all smooshed down. So I'm just going to take my brush and brush away any loose extras that are hanging around the cup. We don't need those on there. And there you have it. It's so pretty. You could actually stop now, but we're not going to stop now. We're going to keep on going. Here is the 20 ounce with the opal holographic tacket method glitter and one without, so you can compare the two. So I actually sealed my cup with some clear spray before I'm doing the main part here. I'm just mixing some chunky glitter up. I got Girl's Best Friend, and I think this one's called Snow Days. It's a Walmart brand, which I really like it. It's nice and sparkly. So I'm going to go ahead and mix those two together, and then we will get started with putting them on the tumbler. You'll find that I mix my glitters quite often. Now, I am a Crystalac user, so I stopped using epoxy a few months ago because of my reaction. So this is glitter glue that the company provides, and it really, really sticks that glitter down for you. So I'm sure there are other tutorials about the glitter glue on YouTube that you can find. But I'm going to just spread it all over my tumbler, and then we will get started on putting the extra shine across the center of the cup. So now we're going to get into the fun part, putting this chunky glitter on. It's so shiny and beautiful. I'm just going to go around the center of my cup, and then I'm going to angle my cup at about a 45-degree angle so it falls down onto the cup, and then I'm going to angle it the opposite way so the glitter can kind of fall towards the top of the cup as well. Once this step is done, you're just going to continue with your epoxy method or your Crystalac method, whichever you choose to do. And that is actually as easy as it is. This is my 30 ounce and my 20 ounce that I've got all completed. Look at the shine on that cup. It's so pretty. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like and subscribe my video, and stay tuned. I'm coming back with more exciting videos. Thank you so much for watching.